Hey there folks, this is Troy Trelevin from Make Sales Faster, and I have a special product for you today. If you're interested in ClickBank and you want to have a really great complete video course on how to make great money in ClickBank, I've got that for you today. And I also have a whole bunch of bonuses that are going to be amazing. In fact, you're able to get access to this product for $1, and for $1 you get all my bonuses. So kind of a no-brainer. And for $17, you can have an even more complete system. But for $1, you basically have this video program. So I'm going to tell you a lot more about it. And I also want to tell you about my bonuses. Before we get too far, just so you know, if you do like what you see on today's video, you can grab it in the link in the description below this video. So you just click it. It says bonus crate in letters and numbers. Click it. You'll come through the page you're looking at. And on this page, as soon as you click any of these orange and white buttons, you'll be able to grab it for $1. And you get all my bonuses that I'm going to tell you about just now. So this is the ClickBank Profit System. It's video training. You're going to learn a proven success formula for $1. Now, there is an upsell for $17 that I'll tell you about, and there's a few more upsells. But for now, let's just look at my bonuses, because if you like my bonuses, that's reason enough to pay $1, right? So let's look at what we've got here today. First is worth $427. I can expect you're going to probably buy this right away, right? Because you're going to get this. This is a secret weapon. It's how to build a sales funnel and an email list. And the one key about marketing online is you need an email list, because once you have that list, you can market different products to them over time. This course, CB Profit System, is going to show you how to do that. This part is going to show you how to build a list, and it will have a little bit of instruction in this course. My course is even going to help you even further. Second, Bang Bang Profits. What this is, so this course is about ClickBank. The course you're looking at here is about how to make money on another platform called Warrior Plus. In fact, that's the platform you're going to be buying this product on. Bang Bang Profits is going to set up for you some ready-made products that you'll be able to sell in addition to all the ClickBank information you got. So $46.95, it's worth way more than that, but that comes with this. It's a video tutorial. You'll love that. Next is YouTube. We call it Lazy Profit Explosion. This is going to be a course on YouTube ads. So if you have some good ClickBank products, you're able to use this course to drive ads to them for even more sales. And because you got to get traffic to these ClickBank profits, they're going to show you how to do it in the course. This is an extra course on how to, so you're going to be double knowledgeable about how to really make money. Next one is how to siphon traffic from other sites without lists. This whole thing, selling ClickBank, is about getting traffic. So this is going to show you how to get traffic from Instagram, from Twitter, from all sorts of different places. And you don't need a list to do it. So what this course will do is get traffic. You'll be able to capture it from the list that you learned about in Bonus 1. And you'll be doing multiple things here to make immediate sales, at the same time getting a list together, which will help you make future sales. And they say a list, the money's in the list. So if you have a $10,000 list, the rule of thumb is you can expect to make about $100 a month from that. Did I say 10,000? $1,000 a month from that list. That's the rule of thumb. Doesn't work every time. In fact, sometimes it works way better. Next bonus is a special course I put together for you. This is about how to do copywriting and how to make money. This is a business in itself. It's separate from ClickBank. It's actually a way to make money with people that need your services so badly. People that are struggling to sell their cars, their homes, their boats, their big ticket items. This is going to show you how to help them sell those things without any copywriting experience at all. In fact, this course is going to help you, in a sense, do copywriting very well right off the bat, and it'll help you start making money right off the bat. You'll be able to make in the hundreds of dollars the first couple weeks and into the thousands after a few months, every month and more, by this tool. And in fact, the copywriting skill to be a good copywriter, that's writing that ad copy that really grabs people and makes them buy a product. This is going to show you exactly how to do it. So you're not going to want to miss this bonus. Only available through me. There's nobody else that has this amazing product and all these other bonuses. Now, there are some more bonuses that the vendor has allowed me to offer to you. The first one is free web hosting for a year. Now, this is limited. You're going to have to act within the first 48 hours, but that bonus will be in the members area. The second bonus are 60 squeeze pages. So squeeze pages are those pages that allow you to capture those emails we've been talking about. There's 60 of them ready-made for you, so you don't even have to make them. And number 3 is high-quality banners. So being able to put great banners on top of your websites and your emails and all that kind of thing. So that's all included if you act fast within 48 hours. All right, so just to remind you, if you like what you're hearing, for $1, you get access to all of this. It almost makes me crazy to say it. But I'll show you some other upsells in just a moment after we explain it. But you get access to it in the link in the description of this YouTube video. Okay, so grab that link now. You click it, you'll go through to this page, then you'll go through to what's called the sales page. And let me show you that briefly right here. This is what it looks like. I'll just pull it in. This is what it's going to look like when you get to that sales page. You'll simply click here, but you'll get here through my video that you're watching. All right, let's go through what this program is. So CB is ClickBank Profit System video training. You're going to follow the training of the vendor who has made money, a lot of money, through ClickBank. So this system is going to help you start getting results right away. There's actually 8 sections and 64 lectures. That's 5 hours of on-demand video. So you can watch these whenever you want, whenever you have time, little by little. You can practice what's taught, get doing it right away. You're going to actually gain the skill that you're going to be able to create profitable advertising campaign and make money without having a website. You don't need a website to do this. You're going to be able to use these skills in other places, but right away it'll be making money on ClickBank. ClickBank is the largest affiliate system on the internet. You'll be able to promote ClickBank products on Facebook with $0. That's pretty cool. There's going to show you new concepts and marketing strategies you can apply to other affiliate marketing, like I've included in my bonuses. And you're really going to be able to generate a lifestyle, an income, if you follow this, that will pay you. It can replace job income. It really is that good. And I know it myself because I've done it. So you're going to learn these skills here. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. I don't know why you'd even take advantage of it because it's $1. So here's what you get. So in the front-end system for $1, you get the step-by-step ClickBank video training system. And this will help you to get up and make money right away on ClickBank. Now, there is the Pro Edition. This is $17, which I highly recommend. This one is going to show you how to do a complete affiliate marketing website and real long-term, how to write content, how to rank well in search engine optimization. I recommend it, right? $17, can't go wrong, and that'll help you really make great money from the ClickBank system. Next upsell is how to make money on Instagram. So affiliate marketing on Instagram, what a source of great business. This will show you how to find the niche. There's 15 hours worth of content, 40 plus video lessons, teach you everything on how to do it organically, through paid, really make great money. Upsell, that's $37, by the way. The third upsell is how to make money on Twitter. So if you have Twitter or don't know anything about Twitter, this is going to show you how to do it, how to gain followers on autopilot. Once you set this, you just let it go. For $37, you're going to learn exactly how to do that step by step. Upsell 4 is viral quote traffic. So there's viral quotes, these images that you can set in your social media that will generate you traffic, $27. Now, if you want the ultimate edition, this is the ultimate blueprint. There's 20 more hours of video training to show you how to start printing your own checks online, following this exact system. Upsell 6, let's say you like this whole idea, but you want someone else to do it for you. For $17, you'll get 1,000 done-for-you email templates to help your customer with their email marketing campaign. Now, the unlimited edition is $99. You'll be able to join for a lifetime membership here, and you'll get support for the rest of your life on how to make money on ClickBank and Twitter and Instagram and everything that's offered here. It's a system. I believe it's hosted in Facebook, and so you'll get help all the time on that. Now, let's say you love this whole idea, you think this product is great. You have the ability to get reseller rights for $127. That means what I'm talking about here, this product, you can resell it as your own. You get all the 100% of commission. So if you had somebody buy all of these things, you're going to make into the many hundreds of dollars for each sale just from all of these. So this is newbie friendly. There's no recurring fees. This works in all sorts of niches in ClickBank. Let's say you're interested in keto or wood carving or financial systems like stocks or e-commerce or Bitcoin or something like that. This will show you how to do it. So just click this button. You'll be able to get access to this amazing product for $1. I recommend getting the upsell, but you don't have to get it. You're going to get all my bonuses. And this is going to be something that is going to totally help you make great money from ClickBank. I've made thousands of dollars over the years from ClickBank, and I know you will too by following the simple, easy video system. That's it, folks, and hope to see you on the other side. If you have any questions or comments, just post them below this video in the comment section. And would you do me a favor and please subscribe to my channel? I'd much appreciate it. Thank you.